Welcome, everyone. Today, we are diving into the world of SAP IDT. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. This tool helps organize and manage data in a structured way, making reports more insightful. Whether you're a business analyst or a data wizard, mastering IDT will make your life much easier. So, let's jump in before data chaos takes over. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Let's talk about IDT, SAP's information design tool. Think of it as your backstage crew, setting up the perfect stage for data analysis. It builds universes, which are basically structured views of business data. Plus, it's flexible enough to pull data from different sources, making life much easier for analysts. If you love structured data, or just hate messy reports, IDT is your new best friend. Now, let's highlight some standout features of SAP IDT. First, it lets you work with multiple data sources like a pro. Second, it ensures data security with controlled access, because no one wants unauthorized, sneaky data ninjas. Third, its intuitive mapping simplifies data structuring, making reporting smooth. And finally, it gives you powerful visualization options, turning raw data into meaningful insights. Universe design in SAP IDT is like designing a city's infrastructure. It determines how data flows and is accessed. The universe consists of dimensions. Think categories and measures. Think numbers. Businesses rely on these universes for structured reporting and decision-making. And trust me, when data is well structured, everyone is happier, from analysts to CEOs. Think of database tables like a big family reunion. You wouldn't mix the toddlers with the elders at the same table. Same goes for data. Grouping related tables makes querying faster, maintenance easier, and your data more structured. It's like tidying your closet. You won't spend hours searching for your favorite shirt. Joins are like matchmaking for data, bringing tables together to form meaningful relationships. But pick the right match. Inner join keeps it exclusive, while outer joins invite in the distant cousins. Get it wrong, and your queries might end up like awkward blind dates, slow and confusing. Filters are your best friend when handling large data sets. Think of them as bouncers at the club, only letting in relevant data. Without them, it's chaos. Proper conditions help refine results, making queries leaner and faster. So, set those rules. Don't let irrelevant data crash the party. Think of data integrity like a game of Jenga. One missing piece, and everything collapses. Ensuring data is synchronized and validated keeps databases running smoothly. It's like keeping your digital house in order, so you're not lost in mismatched records and missing information. Publishing universes is like sending your work into the world. Think of it as launching a rocket. Everything must be validated, accessible, and ready for action. Don't skip metadata checks or version control unless you want your data mission to go off course. Universe design is all about balance. Too messy, and your queries slow down. Too rigid, and flexibility suffers. Think of it as designing a blueprint for a house. Logical naming, optimized layout, and proper documentation make sure users don't get lost navigating your data. We've covered a lot, like a guided tour of universe design. From organizing tables to optimizing joins, it all comes down to efficiency. Now, put these practices into action. And remember, database design is like good storytelling. When done right, everything connects seamlessly. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.